to another sublimation tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we sublimate one of our most popular products, namely the hoodie. It has a 100% cotton feel, but it can still be sublimated, which makes it such a unique product. To make sure there's not any wrinkles in the hoodie, we pre-press it for a few seconds. We chose Coldenhove's sticky transfer paper because it doesn't require expensive tape when pressing our print on the shirt. The ink we use is Jayco Supply by JK. With our print, we go back to our pre-pressed hoodie. We lay it on top and make sure it's right in the middle. Then we take a piece of protective paper and place it on top as well, like this, and then it's ready to be pressed. We take the press and we press it down. We have the press at 186 degrees and at 48 seconds it will run. We have a few seconds left on the press. Once it's finished, we take it off the hoodie, just a few seconds. We take it to this side and remove the protective paper. Take it down. And then slowly and carefully we take off the print and have a finished product. And once you're finished, you have your very own customized hoodie. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, read the caption below. We'll have linked where you can find us.